Spices. My name is Jasmine. I'm a food blogger and this is my very first recipe video ever. Yay! How exciting is this? Today we're making fluffy pink pancakes. I mean, they're gorgeous, they taste amazing, and they're healthy. They don't contain any sugar, but a secret ingredient is the beetroot. Don't worry, you won't taste it in the pancakes, but it gives them a really nice color and makes them moist and delicate. Topping it off with some mango, fresh passion fruit, and a little bit of raw honey. So if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and comment me below, and let's get started.